Welcome to T&L Biotechnology's GMP workshop. Our current facility layout is divided into 4 main sections. The upper part houses our raw material production area, the finished product cold storage, and the packaging area. Production area consists of the formulation production zone and the bulk drug production zone. The formulation production zone is further divided into formulation line 1 and formulation line 2. The bulk drug production zone is separated into the eukaryotic fermentation area and the eukaryotic purification area, both meeting B+ a grade standards. Logistics corridor prevents cross-contamination during material handling and transfer. Cold storage, 228C and -20C zones for varied product needs.